First of all, look at this video. The animation looks cheap because the footage uses linear keyframes. The movement feels unnatural. Now, look at this video. The animation looks professional because of the keyframes with the speed graph edited, and the movement looks natural. Same animation, same editor. The difference is the use of keyframes. Keyframes don't just tell a clip where to be, they tell it how to move over time. And that's exactly what we are going to show you, how to make a realistic movement animation with keyframes in Filmora 15. Before we begin, if you haven't already installed Wondershare Filmora, please visit the official website and download the latest version. Then, install it on your computer. Also, remember to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss any of our upcoming videos. With keyframes and the right speed graph, you can create amazing animations, pop-up animation, grow animation, swing animation, and so on. Let's see how to make a natural light swing animation in Filmora 15. Import images for animation. First of all, click on Import and select the images and import them into the media bin. Then place the background footage onto the timeline and make it 19 seconds long. Then go to the color and reduce the vibrance to -100 and saturation to -83. Then reduce the exposure to -98, brightness to -23, shadow to -18, and white to 31. Placing hanging lights. Now, time to place the lights. Place the first light onto the timeline on track 2, then make it 19 seconds long. Next, go to the settings, change the scale and place it in the center. Now, select the light image, and then change the anchor point position on the preview screen, placing it at the end of the wire, so that when we give it a motion, it will move from the anchor point position. Now go to the color setting and adjust the color to make the light slightly brighter by using the light section and then use HSL. Placing keyframes. Next, we will place the keyframes, make sure playhead at the starting point of the image, then change the rotation to 80 degrees, then on the keyframe. Next, place the playhead at the 3-second mark, and then change the rotation value to -60 degrees. Then place the playhead at 6-second mark, and then change the rotation value to 42. Then place the playhead at 9-second mark, and then change the rotation value to -30. Then place the playhead at 12-second mark, and then change the rotation value to 20. Next, place the playhead at 15-second mark, and then change the rotation value to -10. Finally, place the playhead at 17-second mark, and then change the rotation value to 5, and then place the playhead at the end and change value to -3. Now, when you play the clip, you will get this type of robotic animation, which looks cheap. Now, let's make it look realistic with the speed graph. Access speed graph. To access the speed graph, click on this diamond mark on your clip, and you will get to the speed graph. Now, you can see the keyframe line is linear. To make it smooth, select all the keyframes for rotation, and then select the continuous curve. This will convert the linear path to a curved line. Now, when you play the clip, you will get this smooth, natural movement animation. Add more lights. Now, duplicate the track 2 clip to track 3. Then select the second light from Media Bin and drag it and drop on track 3 to replace the light. Then go to the settings. Then adjust the position and make it slightly shorter. Then select the keyframes one by one and change the keyframe values and randomly change their positions to create variation in the light movement. If needed, add more keyframes and set the value accordingly. Further, if you want, you can add more lights. Now, let's add some filters to the animation. Go to the filters, then to Cinematic folder, and apply Sunlit Siesta, and then apply Epic Cinematic. Go to the filter setting and adjust the filter's opacity. Now, let's see the final preview. Pro-level motion isn't about doing more. It's about doing less with intention. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give us a thumbs up and share it with your fellow creators and editors. For more Filmora 15 tutorials and video editing tips, subscribe to our channel and visit filmora.wondershare.com for templates, effects, and resources. See you in the next one.